2021 Mazda CX-5. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.